students, today we'll discuss about the wealth tax. Okay, wealth tax. What is wealth tax? In the Income Tax Act 1951 is the wealth tax was implemented 1st April 1957. When it was implemented 1957, and it is applicable for all of India except the state called Jammu and Kashmir. So it is applicable whole of India except the state called Jammu and Kashmir. And who are liable to pay the wealth tax is individual, HUF. What is HUF? Hindu Undivided Family, and companies under the Act 1956. So on which amount I should pay the wealth tax is? On which amount I should pay the wealth tax is? The wealth tax is equal to assets minus debts. What are the assets also we'll discuss. Assets minus debts. Then you'll get some 45 lakhs. Okay. 45 lakhs and exemption limit is 30 lakhs. Exemption limit is 30 lakhs. So if we get here 45 lakhs minus exemption limit, then whatever the amount which I'm getting, so 45 minus 30 is I'm getting 15 lakhs. On that 15 lakhs I had to pay wealth tax to the government 1%, where wealth tax is a direct tax where directly the assessee is liable to pay the wealth tax to the government 1%. How much? Well, exemption limit is 30 lakhs. How much percentage is charged? 1%. Who are the persons involved? Individual, HUF and company. So actually what is wealth tax? Wealth tax is further divided into two types, productive and unproductive. Okay, what is productive here is jewelry and cash. For example, if we are doing any favor to the government by using, means if I am having cash 50,000 I am keeping in my pocket. If I am doing anything welfare to the state, no. Instead I'm keeping in the pocket. It is useful for the state, no. Unproductive is the deposits. Suppose I am having 1 lakh, I am depositing that amount 1 lakh to the bank. Okay, in the bank I am depositing that 1 lakh so that the banker can give that 1 lakh to other persons on loan basis. So that is known as unproductive. On this unproductive will not charge any tax, no tax. On this one will charge tax, yes. On which I'm keeping 50,000, is there any use for the society? No use. If I'm keeping in banks, is used for the society? Yes, indirectly it is useful for the society, so there is no tax. And here directly it is not useful for the society, and here I need to pay the taxes. Okay, wealth tax. Wealth tax means assets minus debt, exemption limit minus, then you should charge 1% of wealth tax by the assessee payable to the government. Next, what are the assets here? Only these assets should be taken for the wealth tax, not another. Other than that, plant and machinery we should not take. Residential land. Okay, residential land means the land which is situated in India and is used for residential purpose by the assessee, and it should be 25 kilometers within that municipality. Okay, it should be 25 kilometers. If it is 45 kilometers, we should not take residential land. Okay, so this is residential land. Urban land. Urban land is same 25 kilometers, and also less than population is 10 lakhs. Okay, 10 lakhs population less than, and it should be within 25 kilometers of the containment board of municipality. Next one is jewelries. Next one is motor car. Next one is boats, yachts, also, and cash in hand also we should take only when there is a excess of 50,000. Okay, if it is 10,000 we should not take. Excess of 50,000 should be taken to consider of assets. Okay, what are the 6 assets here? Residential land, urban land, jewelry, motor car, boats, yachts and cash in hand. And what are debts? Suppose this residential land I'm using for the construction, I'll take loan from the bank, so that loan will be minus from this. So this is the wealth tax, is a direct tax which is very important for the government, where assessee is payable directly to the government. Who are the assessors? It is 3%, so you should minus, and 30 lakhs exemption. If it is below 15 lakhs I am getting wealth assets minus that's 15 lakhs, then I should not pay any wealth tax to the government. So wealth tax is 15 lakhs minus 30. 45 lakhs minus 30, 1% on 15 lakhs. So that is wealth tax should be payable to the government. Thank you.